Hello my friends, David Kessler here and welcome back to the studio. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. This video is part of a series where I'm doing some 6x6 canvases for a fundraiser for the LAA, which is the Lafayette Art Association in Lafayette, Louisiana. Great place, great people. If you're interested in any of these paintings, they're going to be auctioned off, is my understanding, in November 2024. As part of a fundraiser for them, and I've done many fundraisers for them in the past, or paintings for fundraisers rather. They're going to have 100 paintings, at least 100 paintings from artists all over Louisiana and from people like me outside of Louisiana that have contributed their artwork so that you can purchase something to have in your house, something beautiful for your house or your office. So you can find out the more specifics about that fundraiser by going to their website or checking them out on Facebook. I've also got some links down below in the description for courses, online courses, abstract painting courses, all about color, art, all kind of stuff in there. If you're interested, click those links, see what we've got. All that stuff helps to move the channel forward and keeps things going around here. If you have any questions or comments, please put those in the comment section below, and let's get to the paint. Because for me, working with greens is not something that I really like to do, nor do I do it very well, nor do I do it very often because I'm not good at it. So as long as it's in the blue-green range, I'm usually good, but when you're trying to do just sort of regular greens, really not that much of a fan, and I'm really not that good at it. However, we're going to give it a go here and see what happens. I have no idea what's going to happen. So we're going to start with Jenkins green. There again, these are all golden, heavy body acrylics. Jenkins green. This is cobalt green. This is Viridian, cobalt turquoise, and my Minty G, which is a mixture of, yellow and some other greens, phthalo green and some other stuff, white. So I'm not crazy about, I love these two, not crazy about these, but anywho, we're gonna give it a shot and see what happens. Okay, let's start with our darkest value green. I wonder if I should put just a shade of, just a hair of this white in here, just so we can see the color a little better. There we go. That's a little better. Okay. All right. Let's get a big glob of it here. thank you all for watching. I love you guys a lot. I appreciate you. If you find any of the affiliate links or any of the courses in the description below to your liking, all of that money helps support the channel, move this thing forward. So I'd appreciate it. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.